Hello guys, today we have a new video about Milwaukee M18 battery, which has a problem that I never had before. The truth is that it took me a long time to find it. As usual, these batteries have problem with unbalanced batteries or have cutted power tabs. However, this one did not have any of these problems. I checked all the points of the battery and I couldn't find anything unusual. But the problem with the error code remained, as you can see in the video. Now let's start the diagnosis of the battery with the classic steps, one by one until we find the problem. First step, as always, is to measure the batteries for balance. So we must check the voltages of each parallel cells. There, all the voltages must be exactly the same. As you can see, all the batteries are fully balanced. This is a very good sign and means that our battery is healthy. So let's go to the next step. Next step is to check all the battery tabs. They must spot welded tightly on the battery, including also the power tabs. As you can see, everything is good there. All the tabs are spot welded normally. After the diagnosis steps, everything seems normal. But the problem remains. After a lot of visual inspection, I accidentally came across to the balance tabs. As you can see, they seems to be properly soldered to the board, but from the below, if you look closely, they have been cutted. And the only way to see that is to apply a little force to the board upwards and see if they are loose. After the check of all 6 balance tabs, we find that 2 of them are cutted. Now let's fix the balance pins and see the result. Once we fix the balance pins, we will need to put it on the original charger to initialize the battery, to confirm the repair. As you can see, the charger has started normally and is charging the battery. The battery has initialized normally and shows us the battery level as it should. So that's it for today, guys. I hope the video helps you a lot in the future, and see you in the next video.